welcome back to our class. In this class, we are going to learn the modes of transport and the vehicles. So let's get started. So there are four types of transports: railways, roadways, airways and waterways. Yes, so let's see what we use to travel via these ways. So what do we use on road? We use the bike, car, a bus, a cycle. All these, where do we use? Where? Yes, on the road. We use them on the road. And now let's say ship, a boat, yacht. What else? We have cruiser. All these we use in the waterways. Yes? Yeah, we use them to ride over the water. And what about aeroplane, helicopter, jet? All these we use in the airways. Yes. And now the railways. What do we use? What do we go while we are on the railways? We use trains, right? Yes, the trains, what do they carry? They carry passengers, they carry goods. What is meant by goods? Yes, they take big cardboard boxes, right? Yes, those are called goods. Yes, so these are the modes of transport. And so now let's see a little more about the vehicles. The car. How many can sit in the car? 4 members. One in the driver's seat, the other in the first passenger seat and 2 in the back. So 4 members can sit in a car. Now let's see bike. How many can sit in a bike? Bike, scooter, how many? 2. One in the driver's place, the other one in the passenger seat. Yes? What about cycle? There are many different kinds, right? There is one person sitting cycle and also a back seat. Yes, either 1 or 2. And now, what about train? How many can sit in a train? Many, right? Because it travels very long distance from Chennai to Hyderabad or anywhere possible. Yes? So there are many people sitting in the train. More than a family. Yes. So what about aeroplane? It is also a transporting vehicle, right? The passengers, the goods, it's so big. So there are many people sitting in the aeroplane. So the passenger seats are more. Yes. And what about helicopter? It only travels short distance. What is helicopter used for? They can travel personally, only we can travel, or we can save lives when in emergency. When something happens, something means a fire accident or anything, emergency, we use helicopters. Yes, also we use in army, right? The war, shooting, yes. So all these are used via helicopters and jets, yes. And what about ships? There is a rowing boat, we row like this. Did you see someone rowing the boats? We row a boat, yes. So that's a rowing boat. And what are the different types? There is a basket boat. What is a basket boat? How is a basket? It's round or it has something deep, right? So a basket is round, and when it is used in water, we can travel through it. It is also moved with the help of rowing, but because of its shape, we call it as basket boat. Yes. And what about sailing ship or sailing boat? They have something in triangle on the top. What is it? It is a cloth that is used for direction. With the help of that, the ship moves. Yes, that's the work of sailing boat. Yes. And now what about the cargo ships, planers, the submarine? You know what is submarine, right? No? Okay, I'll tell you. The submarine will go down into the water. Only when they bring it up, we can see it. Or it will be traveling inside the water. Yes? It is deep inside the water. It will be traveling everywhere. It is used for traveling. It is used for shooting the wars. The army uses submarine. Yes. And Wait, not only that. Do you know what is yachts? Y-A-C-H-T? Yes? No, okay, I'll tell you. So that is also a kind of ship or a boat in which we can live. Live means it's like a home. You have bedrooms, you have windows, you have a dining hall, you have a swimming pool. Yes, so that is a kind of ship. All these are the functions and the variety of vehicles. Yes. Thank you.